Hi, everyone. I'm Carly, the CIO at Zinkerz, and I'm going to go over another AP AB Calculus math problem with you. Make sure you're subscribing to our channel to learn more problems about calculus and also SAT tips and tricks for both math and verbal. Let's take a look at this problem. You have a graph. Now, this is one of the first things you learn when you're doing AB Calculus is limits. So let's take a look. We have a graph of f. Which of the following statements is false? So the first four are about limits. I would take a look at this and let's check out E first. The function f is continuous at x is equal to 3. Well, if I take a look at 3, there is no discontinuity there. There's no asymptote. There's no jump discontinuity. There is no removable discontinuity. So this one is true. So I'm going to eliminate this one. So these all have to do with limits. You can go problem by problem, or you can take a look here. And if I take a look at this, I notice that at x equals 2, there is a removable discontinuity. Remember, with a removable discontinuity, it's discontinuous, but the limit still exists because if I'm approaching 2 from the left, and if I'm approaching 2 from the right, they're both going towards the value of 2. So the limit does exist here. So this is not the answer. We're looking for something that's false. The limit as x approaches 3 exists. Well, there's no discontinuity there. We already said it was continuous. So the limit does exist. It's actually 5 because from the left and the right, it's going to 5. The limit as x approaches 4. Let's take a look at this one. As we're going to 4 from the left, the limit as x approaches 4 from the left of f of x. Well, what value is it approaching? I'm tracing the graph and it's getting to 2. Now let's take a look at the limit as x approaches 4 from the right. Well, if I'm following the path to 4, it's actually going to 4 because these are not the same. They are not equal to each other. That means that the limit does not exist as x approaches 4. So the answer here is C.